Hi everybody, it's Jay, and today I have a package opening from Amazon. I don't like Amazon, but sometimes I get weak and buy some stuff. I mean, actually this is the first time that I myself am ordering stuff. Usually I ask other people to order stuff for me, because I don't like Amazon. But everything is, I think, from Europe slash actually just from my country and my neighbor country, which makes it a little bit better. But still, yeah. I wanted to show you all what I got. It's mostly cosplay stuff. Well, not really, but I'm gonna make it into cosplay stuff. So it is for a Joker cosplay. So let's get this open. And yeah, it's just mostly that sort of stuff. Also some cute kind of poppy stuff. You'll see. It will all make sense in a second. Ooh, first, I know what this is. Let's start with this because it's not that exciting, but kind of exciting for me because I've always wanted one of these. And I really like having one. There we go. I love having one at my hospital. It's a pill box. It looks like this. It's a lemon, basically. And yeah, you can just, I think you turn this around somehow, right? I don't know. You turn this, oh, like this. So you push here, and then it goes to the next one. That is pretty cool. And it has how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect, like for 1 week. So I'm gonna use this definitely for all of my pills that I take in the morning. And yeah, that was pretty, something not too exciting, I would say. This is also something I've been very excited about. It's a makeup palette, carnival makeup, right? And yeah, it's like metallic, and I really wanted to try it out for the Joker. Let me open it and show you. Ooh, very cool. Nice. So it comes with these 3 pads and also a brush. And yeah, these are all the colors. And I mostly am gonna need some white, black, and red. So probably maybe also some green for the eyebrows. But yeah. So next are these suspenders that are also for my Joker cosplay. I'm really excited about them because I'm planning on cosplaying my own version of the Dark Prince Charming. Simply because I love that version of the Joker, like aesthetic wise, he's just so good. Oh gosh. Okay, oh that looks nice. I didn't expect it to look this nice, because there were some bad reviews, but apparently it doesn't look too bad. It looks sturdy. How did people manage to break this? I am confused. It doesn't look like it's like, it looks nice. Perfect for what I want, and obviously you can make it larger and smaller, whatever you want. And it has a strong chemical smell. Like, you know, not the best kind, but at least I have some now. Hipster back to braces. What? I don't even, doesn't matter. They're nice. And let's leave the best for last, and let's go for these. Oh my gosh, these look nothing like the picture. What? These look so fake. Oh well. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. So that's actually not bad. I don't mind them. They just look so much more like trashy than they look in the sales pictures. But these are some gloves. Well, it does make sense because they were not very expensive. But these are also for my Joker cosplay. Could you guess? Oh my gosh, I've always wanted gloves like these, and actually they fit me really well. I was kind of scared that the fingers were gonna be too long because I have really small hands, mostly fingers. My fingers aren't very long, but they fit me very nicely. That's nice. And my favorite one is this shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh. I have been meaning to get one of these for forever. Oh my gosh, oh, it's so nice and big. I was kind of scared that it was gonna be a bit too small, but no, this is huge. It's a tie-dye t-shirt, rainbow tie-dye. I need to try this on like right now. So as you can see, it's nice and big and exactly the way I wanted it to be, and I love it so much. It's a little bit more poppy than what I usually wear, like fairy key and stuff, but I love poppy sort of things, like a little bit more bam in your face, but it's not that bam in your face than I expected. It's a lot more muted down, which I actually like because that means I can wear it with a lot of my fairy key clothes, which is always good. So thank you so much for watching. That was already it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!